The Japanese yen remained broadly weaker today and the recent decline continues. Another round of selling was triggered yesterday as Bank of Japan Governor Shirakawa announced he would step down 3 weeks earlier than scheduled on March 19, paving the way for accelerated easing from the central bank. Bank of Japan board member Sato said today that achieving the 2% inflation target would be difficult, merely by enhancing ongoing policy initiatives. He also noted that, the Bank of Japan aims to steadily increase the amount outstanding of the asset purchase program by adjusting the program in a flexible manner. And, stronger indirect influence on foreign exchange rates will be achieved from a further decline in interest rates. But he also said that, pursuing a high price stability target of 2% solely through the exchange rate channel is not a balanced option. US dollar Japanese yen hit a 33-month high today so far and remains strong. Meanwhile, buyers in euro yen and sterling yen remained on the upside and a further rally is expected for the rest of the week. After a brief retreat, the euro recovered strongly against the dollar and other major currencies overnight as worries on Spain's and Italy's political uncertainties faded. Nonetheless, euro dollar, euro sterling, Euro Aussie and Euro Loonie are all trapped in range below this week's high so far. Traders are holding their bets ahead of the European Central Bank's meeting tomorrow. The ECB is expected to leave the main interest rate unchanged while no further quantitative easing programs will be announced. Yesterday, French President François Hollande expressed concerns over the strength of the single currency and called for a currency policy. He stated, the Eurozone must, through its heads of state and government, decide on a medium-term exchange rate. His idea gained support from Slovak Prime Minister Robert Fico, who said that government would support such policy and is ready to support any proposals which will help economic growth and Europe itself. We expect ECB President Draghi to face questions about this issue at the press conference. We also anticipate questions about the scandal at Monte dei Paschi and Draghi's responsibilities when he was the head of Italy's central bank from 2006 to 2011. The Australian dollar continues to be the weakest commodity currencies among the Canadian and New Zealand dollar. And it's further weighed down by disappointing retail sales data today. Retail sales unexpectedly dropped for a third month in December, by 0.2% month-on-month, while November's figure was also revised down to -0.2%. The Reserve Bank of Aust kept rates unchanged at 3.00% yesterday and said that, the inflation outlook, as assessed at present, would afford scope to ease policy further, should that be necessary to support demand. The central banks is still opening the door for more easing and Aussie's outlook would very much